How to do keyword research for YouTube videos in 2020. Wait, it's not 2020 yet, it's 2019. But 2019 is nearly over and you want to make videos that will also rank in 2020. Welcome to the Dr. Niki Show. Cue the intro. Let's start this video with the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next videos, make sure you comment something down below that you love about this video or that you absolutely hate about it for a chance to be featured in one of the next videos. By the way, I'm also trying to shout out more than one person at the end of the video, so make sure you stick until the end to find out if it was you. So to do keyword research on YouTube, I actually use Tubebuddy, and you can use the free version, but I would actually recommend to use the paid one, especially if you're a YouTuber and you're just taking this whole thing seriously. And I have a link for Tubebuddy in the description down below. If you want to use it, actually get a small commission from your purchase, so it kind of helps out the channel. And if you were one of these people, this rare breed of people that are interested in business, e-commerce and social media growth, click the subscribe button because I'm also one of them. Oh, and don't forget the bell notification, that's an even rare breed. Also, a cool thing is that when you click the like button, you also save an alien pet from Area 51, which is really cool. Like, where else can you get the chance to save an alien pet from Area 51? You probably heard it there getting graded and it's really sad. Now you have a chance to save it by just clicking a like button. The goal for this video is to go for 20 likes. The most I've got on the last videos is actually 13 or 14, so if you can get 20, this will really motivate me to continue pushing out more content, a video every single day. So, how do you do keyword research for YouTube? I will try to make it as simple as possible. The concept is the following. You need to find keywords on YouTube that have a low competition score. Not that many people are making videos on them, or they're making videos on them, but they're not, don't have that much authority, views, subscribers, and so on. So it's pretty much a supply and demand game, like in, economics. A lot of supply, a lot of people making videos about a topic that has a little amount of demand. What happens? There's too much competition. There's a lot of demand but little supply. This is where you want to go. We're trying to find the undervalued keywords on YouTube and we'll try to rank for them. What I mean by this is, you go on YouTube, right? And this is how when I go on YouTube home, this is how it looks like. When you've installed Tubebuddy, you have an option in the top that has, these three dashes. You click it, the Tubebuddy, and just go ahead on the right and click Keyword Explorer. Then you have this bracket where you can write keywords, and let me just give you an example by writing keyword research. You can see you have two options down below. You have an unweighted and a weighted option. What this helps you out, like basically the weighted option helps you out to search the competition relative to your channel. If you're a bigger channel, it's actually good for you. If you're a bad channel, it's actually bad for you. So when you use the weighted option, you can actually see what kind of chances do you kind of have to rank on those keywords, especially if you didn't do any videos prior to that on that topic, and if your subscribers aren't warmed up for this topic, meaning they're not, maybe they're interested in that topic, but they're not used to seeing you make a video about it. So this is kind of an important thing to know. Also, when you click weighted, there's a few other things you should know. So first of all, unweighted. I have the video on unweighted now. It says keyword research, it's actually a bad video, so that's why I'm doing another keyword for this video. If you actually saw what keyword I'm using, comment down below. I know the keyword you're using and write it down, so I know this. So you can see search volume really good, but competition unweighted and straight, like, it's really bad. Nearly 2 million videos in the search results, and there's 200k searches per month. So if you rank there, 200k searches, and if everyone clicks on this video, just know it's probably like 300-400 because you rank on other videos as well. Clicks that you can get, that's like 10k views a day just from search. This is just insane. But you have the related tab on the right side that is actually even better because it can help you out with, longer tail keywords that are good, and you can text them out. So if I click on weighted for just a sec, you can see that it actually shows me that the average for this is actually 32,000. So that's not really that good for top ranked videos. I can pull 30,000 views. So what I'll try is use the related tab, and as you can see here, there's a bunch of keywords like keyword research banger tutorial, keyword research for SEO from YouTube 2092, Amazon, blah blah. So what I'll do is I'll choose how to do keyword research from YouTube, and it actually has a 63 unweighted score. Has a good search volume, a lot of videos coming up, but there's a chance for me to rank. Everything above good, above 50 is really good. I'll use it on my channel. The average views I'm getting right now are actually for the next 30 videos minus one for the next 30 days are actually above 100, 120-ish. So if there's videos ranking with less than 1,000 views on the first page, you can even do that step to analyze the keyword by keyword, and if you're really serious about it, I'll do that. I'm trying to do it. So yeah, good or better, this is what you should choose. If you're obviously 10,000 subscribers plus in the digital marketing niche, this is a lot, then you can choose whatever you like. So who is the shout out winner for this episode? As I said, I'm trying to get more winners in because I want to give back to the community, because we're getting a lot of really nice conversations in the comments down below. Some of you guys helping other people out and so on. It really warms my heart. This is a video I made in like July or August, and I had a guy, Blake, that he says, can I have a shout out? My name is Official XBR. This is for Israel. Maybe check the next 10 to 20 videos. Okay, really appreciate all your help. You see the series I started? He probably didn't. He just wanted a shout out. But I'm a good guy. I try to be at least, and I'll do it. Then we have a comment from Big Bro Bobby Jam. He said, learn a lot from this one Doki. Now I know what actually works. A lot of newbies like me will surely benefit from this video to grow our channels. Thanks so much. You know what? I record a video right now on the progress, and I think you can make it into a series. We're growing this account, a new video out every other day. That's really nice, and I think that's what I did after. So that next shout out winner is Laura Velasquez. She says, only safe way to get followers safely as the algorithm is very strict. Some trains are pretty nice, you just have to check out this very old video that it's a mistake to use follow trains basically. Check out their profiles, follow, and hopefully they'll follow you back. Another thing, you need to follow Instagram limits though, be careful. Yeah, because follow is not that good. And I'm just telling her about the series. By the way, if you're wondering what happened to the series, is got shadow banned on the account and I can be asked to work on it, so use it as a mother slave account as of recording this video. I've already created a new account that I'm growing, and I will also use follow and follow fully for the first few hundred followers, but I'll only do it manually. I have videos where I'll literally show you like timestamps of me growing it. So if you're interested in looking at no automation, you doing everything organic but using follow and follow, if you're interested in that, make sure you are subscribed, because this will be one of the next videos you'll see, probably the video tomorrow. A video a day keeps the doctor away. See you next one. Bye.